Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Live. I'm Chef Patrice and I'm going to make you a better cook. Fish and chips. How about that? Today on the menu, yes, we're going to make some fish and chips. We're going to be using, of course, cod. You can see that, the beautiful picture in here that we're going to be making today. We are going to make this fish and chip. The dipping today will be homemade mayonnaise. I'm going to show you how to make a homemade mayonnaise. Very simple. Of course, for dessert today, rhubarb is all over the place. I love rhubarb, so we're going to be making a panna cotta with rhubarb on top. Look at that, beautiful. We got to make this first, of course, to let it set. Excellent menu today, fish and chip and panna cotta. 2 cups of cream. You're going to grab also your sugar. And with a whisk, of course, we are going to dissolve that sugar. All right. Drop of vanilla. Very important that we bring the cream to a simmer, and you are going to understand this in a second as we go and talk about the gelatin. I love this dessert because actually, you know, it's not that sweet and it's very simple to do. Okay, a little bit more in there. This is about what I need. Okay, perfect. All right. It wasn't too difficult, wasn't it? No. So let's talk about the rhubarb first. The color, of course, I want a nice red color like that. I didn't see any bruises or anything going bad, so this is a good shape. Red but nice and firm, so I was very happy. I'm going to line them up like that. There we go. Oh yeah, now the pen is starting out a little bit. That's it, so we are in good shape, see? I wanted to show you that. All right. Okay, very good. So the oven is set 375, my bottom oven. I just put my potatoes. It's going to take about 20 minutes, which is perfect timing for us. I'm going to have my butter right there. Okay, and take my fish, dip it in the butter nicely, okay? And then let me see the temperature. So do one first. It looks pretty good. Remember, as you put the fish, you're going to cool down the temperature. So it's good to start a little bit higher. And this way, you maintain a 350 degrees temperature, very important, okay? See, actually, look at that, okay? Beautiful plate, fish and chip my way, huh? How about that? And then just place it in here. And then if I had a little bit of jus, which I reduced, but a little bit on the plate like that. And if you have a little cookie and a crunch, that'll be perfect, okay? I'm gonna place that over there. This